What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BDO debit card replacement. Pag-uusapan natin guys kung magkano nga ba yung babayaran nyo for a BDO debit card replacement or BDO debit card replacement fee. Magkano nga ba yun? And then, kung ito ba ay any branch ninyo pwedeng gawin. Like for example, nasa Manila yung branch of account ninyo. When we say branch of account, kung saan kayo nag-open ng savings account nyo sa BDO. Tapos ngayon, nasa Masbate ka, kung pwede ba nasa Masbate nyo na lang gawin yung proseso ng pagpa-replace ng BDO debit card. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So ito guys, to answer that question, kung magkano nga ba yung BDO debit card replacement fee, as you can see guys, is 150 pesos siya. 150 pesos. So pay the fee, a card replacement fee of 150 pesos will be charged. This fee may be waived for a certain premium BDO members or BDO rewards members. So kapag naka-premium reward ka or member ka ng BDO Rewards Premium, so maaaring ma-waive yung 150 pesos na babayaran nyo sa BDO debit card replacement fee. Then ngayon, to answer that question naman, if any branch nyo ba pwedeng gawin yung steps or pagpapapalit or pagpapareplace ng BDO debit card? The answer is yes. You can replace your BDO ATM card at any BDO branch. Not just by branch of account, for convenience. So, since ito ay nahanapan, like for example, kasi dati talaga is kailangan talaga sa branch of account. Then, binago ni BDO yon for the convenience na rin ng clients nila. Inallow nila na pwede nang magpa-replace any branch kung saan kayo mas convenient. You'll need a valid ID and your old card if available. So, kapag hindi nawala yung old debit card nyo, like for example, pinablock nyo lang, like for example, nakalimutan nyo, ganyan, tapos nawala, okay lang yon. Pero kung nandyan, pwede nyong dalhin doon mismo sa kanila kasi hihingiin nila yon. Then of course, kailangan mo ng valid ID. So, syempre, para ma-confirm yung identity nyo, nasa inyo talaga yung account na yon, you need to present a valid ID. Like for example, yung SSS, UMID, or di kayo yung PhilSys ID, driver's license. Marami silang IDs na tinatanggap. Pwede rin yung TIN, or di kaya NBI, or di kaya police clearance, passport, ganon. And the card replacement process is quick for generic cards, same day. So when we say generic cards, guys, hindi siya personalized, meaning, hindi nakapangalan sa inyo. Like for example, halimbawa sa Masbate kayo nagpa-replace, yung nakalagay doon sa card as per experience is Masbate branch. Makukuha nyo rin yan within the day. Nagpunta kayo, mabilis nyo lang makukuha yung debit card at ililink yon. So ngayon, kung gusto nyo ipa-personalized but takes a few days for personalized embossed cards. So when we say embossed cards is naka-print yung pangalan nyo, naka-personalized talaga sa inyo, with fees possibly applying unless waived. Example, for a BDO, certain BDO rewards members. Tulad ng sabi ko pa lang kanina na maaaring ma-waive yung BDO card replacement fee or BDO debit card replacement fee kapag ikaw ay premium member ni BDO. Kung ikaw ay normal client lang, kailangan mo magbayad ng 150 pesos. Then, key takeaway, BDO makes it easy to get a replacement at any branch, saving you a trip to your home. So, tulad ng sabi ko, binigyan na ni BDO yung convenience sa client nila. So, ito yung steps guys on how to replace your BDO debit card or hakbang para mapalitan yung BDO debit card ninyo. Una is, report the card. Immediately report the lost. Halimbawa nawala, report nyo agad, tumawag kayo sa BDO customer service if ito ay stolen or ninakaw or damaged card by calling the BDO contact center at 632-8888-0000 or domestic toll-free at 1-800-10-631-8003. This allows BDO to block the card immediately to prevent unauthorized use. Kasi kapag nawala guys or ninakaw, maaaring magamit yun sa online transactions yung BDO debit card ninyo. Tapos the worst thing is kung alam yung PIN ng debit card na yon, maaari silang ma-withdraw sa BDO machine or any ATM or automated teller machine. Kapag nakuha yung card, ninakaw sa inyo, tapos na-misplace nyo lang, tapos alam ng tao yung PIN ng card na yon, ng debit card na yun ni BDO, ninyo na meron kayo, maaari siyang mag-withdraw ng pera doon. Kaya, it's a good idea na tumawag agad kayo sa BDO Contact Center to report the scenario para ma-block agad nila. Pangalawa is visit your branch. Go to your branch of account, the branch where you open your deposit account, to formally request a replacement. So ngayon kung malapit ka lang naman sa BDO branch of account or kung saan ka nag-open ng BDO savings account mo, much better na mag-visit ka doon. Tapos ngayon kung malayo ka, okay lang naman na any branch nga, tulad ng sabi ko kanina. Then pangatlo is submit requirements. Present one original valid government-issued ID with a photo and signature. So kailangan ng primary ID or secondary ID. So ngayon kapag primary ID yung meron kayo, okay na yung isa. Tapos ngayon kung wala kayong primary, dalawang secondary IDs. Pero to make sure guys, kahit may primary ID kayo, much better na magdala pa rin kayo ng supporting IDs. Kasi may ibang BDO teller na stricto, nang hihingi pa rin ng further verification sa inyo. Then if the card was lost or stolen, you may need to file an affidavit of loss available in a BDO prescribed form at the branch or downloadable from BDO website. So ngayon, if hindi kayo makapag-download since it's internet problem, wala kayong printer, so pwede na kayo diretso dun sa branch of account ninyo or sa any branch ng BDO para maghingi ng affidavit of loss. Then pangatlo is fill out a debit card request from service slip. So, kailangan nyo i-fill out yung form na yun, guys, para ma-process yung BDO debit card replacement ninyo. Then again, regarding fee, you have to pay a fee for amounting to 150 pesos. Then, panglima is claim the new card. The new card will typically be issued at the branch. Ngayon, kung saan kayo nagpa-request or saan kayo nag-request ng replacement card ng BDO debit card ninyo, doon nyo siya i-claim. Hindi siya i-deliver sa inyo. For a certain card times of cards like BDO Pay Card, which replace older cash cards, generic versions may be claimed immediately. So, kapag generic cards, tulad sabi ko, hindi siya personalized, makakuha nyo siya agad. Compared to BDO personalized debit cards, kailangan ng 7 days na interval or waiting time para ma-process yung personalization. Then, important reminder. The cardholder must personally visit the branch to request the replacement. So, ito yung kailangan yung malaman na personal dapat. Kung sino yung may-ari ng account, siya lang ang pwede magbisita doon sa account or sa branch ni BDO para mag-request ng BDO debit card replacement. So, I think that's all for now. So, sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!